you will need. You need a whole bag of mini marshmallows. You can use big jumbo marshmallows if you want, but I suggest you cut them up into about 4 pieces so they're smaller and melt easier in the microwave. Then you need Crisco, clear vanilla, lemon extract, corn syrup, salt, a big bowl, glass bowl that you can put in the microwave, and a spatula to mix everything. So the first thing you want to do is to grease the bowl with some Crisco. Get it good and greased so everything does not stick to it. You want to do your spatula. Okay, I'm going to have Ellie dump the whole thing of marshmallows in there.
Okay, I'm going to do the...
Wash my hands real quick.
Okay. I thought you meant use bigger bowl.
No, just dump them in there.
Okay.
And she's going to dump those in there, and we are going to put 2 tablespoons of water. So we did 2 tablespoons of water, and then you want to mix it. Now what you want to do is you're going to microwave it. And first you're going to start off by microwaving it for 1 minute. So, Ellie. Okay, stop mixing. Now, if you want to do food color, this is time to do it, and you want to use a gel. So you want to put as many drops as you want until you get what color you would like. So, I forgot to put the powdered sugar in the pitcher. So, I got it out, measured it. You're gonna need, so right now you want to do half. My hands real quick. I'm going to take some Crisco, grease my hands, grease them really good, and I'm going to dump my powdered sugar all over, and then I'm going to dump this. Okay, so this is about what you want it at.
Ooh, that's nice.
I'm gonna clean off this table real quick, and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, my fondant, what I did was cleaned off the table. I put some Crisco on it, rubbed some Crisco. And now what you want to do is, if you're not ready to use this right now, you want to wrap it in some plastic wrap. And that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm not ready to use this yet. I still have to cut my cakes. So all you do, take your wrap, just wrap it nicely, and then when you're ready to use it, go ahead and use it. Thanks for watching.